Avni Tarpara 2017 pass out joined STAD solution to learn manual and automation software testing and become a certified software tester. Let's hear from her.
Hello, my name is Avni Tarapra. I have completed my bachelor degree in information technology from VVP Engineering College, Rajkot. One of my friends suggested to join STAD solution for manual testing and automation testing. I learned about basic and fundamental of testing like BRD, FRD, test case, test plan, test report, and like all the documents required for testing. And in automation testing, we learned about basic of Java and Selenium. And then during this class, they also give hands-on experience on live project. Especially, I want to thank Kashyapi ma'am and Richa ma'am to give a proper knowledge of testing.